Alright, here we go. The tail doesn't look too bad. Got the one float fitting that's missing inside. I don't have the second float fitting. For some reason it wasn't on the plane. See, here's where the damage is. This gear leg here came forward and smacked into the bird cage up here. Okay, so that's the worst of it right there. I don't know why they took all the windows and stuff out of this thing. Everything's still intact, although I think that's electric DG in here, and if this sits too long, I'm sure they'll be gone. See, looks like it's still got one blade on the prop. Walk around this thing. I gotta take the motor off so we can get this thing home. It's got, well, some type of Cessna axles on the 337 on this thing. And here apparently there's some work done. And I don't know why that float fitting's missing. Haven't come across it yet. Okay, not sure what else to show you here.